ChatGPT. Everybody know ChatGPT is a number one AI tool. So in this video, I'm totally explore you how to create an AI tools using ChatGPT in less than 2 minutes. So if you are beginner, don't worry. If watch full video, if you watch full video, I guarantee you are able to create any AI software, website, and AI tools in less than 2 minutes. So at first, I'm going to chat GPT, then type give me a HTML, CSS, Java code in one file for YouTube title generator. Just wait a few seconds. ChatGPT write full code for me in less than a few seconds. Now you need to install a Visual Studio Code. So it's software. It's absolutely free. Just go to google.com, then type VS Code. Then install this software. Then wow, ChatGPT already write full code for me, and I'm going to Visual Studio Code. You need to create a file, example of index.html. Now paste your code, then save this code here. Now just right button click, open in default browser. Oh my god, ChatGPT already write. You can see this is not good title. Then I'm going to again chat GPT, then write not good when I input a topic, then you give me 15 AI generate title, AI generate just copy this code, again go to this Visual Studio Code, then paste your code, then I need to save this code. Just right button click, open in default browser, just India tour, just enter. Oh my god, you can see ChatGPT create a full AI YouTube title generator. It's absolutely free. So you can see incredible best and amazing India tour travel guide. This is amazing, super easy. So if you are beginner, please try once. I guarantee you are able to create this tool in less than 2 minutes.